The Golden Elixir is a liquid berberine supplement derived from nature's finest sources. Berberine, when extracted from certain plants, has been shown to act as a potent appetite suppressant, helping you regain control over your cravings and support your weight management journey. Absorption is the key to unlocking the true potential of any supplement. Unlike traditional berberine capsules and tablets, the Golden Elixir boasts a breakthrough formula. Through cutting-edge technology, this liquid form allows for superior absorption, ensuring that your body can readily absorb and benefit from every drop. The Golden Elixir is sourced from the untouched wilderness. Rest assured, what you get is 100% wild-crafted, natural goodness in every bottle. Maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is crucial for overall well-being. Nature has provided us with incredible resources, and berberine is one of them. The Golden Elixir has been carefully crafted to support natural weight loss and natural glucose control, helping your body maintain a healthy balance. Embrace the power of nature's Golden Elixir and experience the transformative benefits it brings. A natural appetite suppressant, an easily absorbable formula, sourced 100% from the wilds of the USA, and support for natural glucose control. Rediscover your path to health and vitality with the Golden Elixir.